Alright guys, so brought the build plate temperature up to 60. I've cleared out the previous part of the V-tail section, which I can probably show you. It's that one. And printed out very well. Including the top section where the dovetailing um, went through. And that came out really well too. So the material looks good, it's nice and shiny, no whiskers, no lumps. Um, So current settings are working really nicely. These models do have a few artifacts on the surface, and it's just because the way the skin meshes or merges with the internal structure, because it has to weld the pieces together effectively. Um, so that's good to go. Now I've got the other section ready to print, which is the tip section, which goes on to that lower section. This time I've used adaptive layering, so it's going to change the thickness here and change the thickness here. And I'll see the difference. I just wanted to try it. There's two reasons I did that. I had a problem using this profile where for some reason it was putting a bottom layer in. But once I unloaded the profile, so I effectively flicked it to say standard quality, and then flicked it back to this, it flushed it out. So because I'd noticed that when I came all the way down here, this section was not hollow at the bottom, and it needs to be hollow because it's where it's going to dovetail, into the other section. So it had a layer in it. But anyway, I've managed to clear it out. If I were to switch that adaptive layering off and reslice, let's have a look at it. Okay, let's go all the way down. There you go, still hollow, which is what I want. Yeah, the only difference is it doesn't have adaptive layering in where it sees the need to put thin, slightly finer grain into it. Uh, it can do so. That's what, and I'll show. Adaptive layering really comes into play more when you've got complex curves. But we'll see how that prints. I'm just intrigued to know how that prints. Yep. All right. We'll get that off to Octoprint, and then I'll catch up with you a bit later.